Hi everyone, welcome to the presentation on Microsoft Azure, one of the leading cloud computing platforms in the world. Over the next few minutes, we will dive into what Azure is, explore the key services, understand how it works, discuss its benefits, and examine its popularity in the tech industry. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is Microsoft Azure? It is a cloud computing platform and service offered by Microsoft. Simpler terms, is a collection of data centers around the globe that provide computing resources over the internet. These resources include servers, storage, databases, networking, and more. And all are managed by Microsoft. Now, let's take a closer look at the services Azure offers. Azure provides a vast array of services tailored to meet the diverse needs of businesses and developers. From compute services like virtual machines and app services to storage solutions such as blob storage and file storage. Azure has it all. Additionally, it offers AI and machine learning tools, developer tools, databases, and networking services to empower organizations to innovate and grow. But how does Azure actually work? At its core, Azure operates on a pay as you go model, allowing users to only pay for the resources they consume. Provisioning virtual machines, deploying applications, or storing data, Azure enables businesses to scale resources up and down based on demand. It achieves this through virtualization and containerization technologies, ensuring high availability, reliability, and security for all its services. Now, let's discuss the benefits of using Azure. One of the standout features of Azure is its scalability. Business can easily scale resources, accommodate fluctuating workloads without the need of significant upfront investments. Azure also offers flexibility, support various programming languages, frameworks, and operating systems, making it accessible to developers worldwide. Moreover, Azure is cost effective. Competitive pricing models and discounts available for long term commitments. Its robust security features, global presence, and extensive service offerings further contribute to its appeal among business of all sizes. Finally, let's talk about the popularity of Azure. Azure is a powerhouse in the cloud computing industry, competing with giants like AWS and GCP. Its versatility, reliability, and creation capabilities have made it a top choice for business across industries, from healthcare to finance to retail. As a result, Azure continues to experience rapid growth in the market share and revenue, solidifying its position as a leader in the cloud computing space. Before we conclude, I have something exciting news to share with you all. We are thrilled to announce that we are offering free Azure Cloud and DevOps training through GURUSCHOOls. This training program includes instructor-led sessions, certification, assistance, interview support, project guidance, all at absolutely no cost to you. Guru Schools, a leading IT consulting and outsourcing company, has partnered with over 1,000 clients, bringing unparalleled expertise and resources to this training initiative. Thank you once again for watching this video. We hope you found the information on Microsoft Azure insightful and valuable. If you are interested in taking advantage of the free Azure training offered by Guru Schools, please reach out to us for more details. Have a great day and we look forward to hearing from you soon.